Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 with your PXN V9 racing wheel. First, connect your PXN V9 wheel to your PC or Xbox console using the provided USB cable. It's crucial to ensure the wheel is in the correct mode for your specific platform, often indicated by an LED light. Once connected, launch Forza Horizon 5. Head straight into the game's main menu and locate the settings option. This initial setup is key to a smooth driving experience. Now that your wheel is connected, let's configure the in-game controls. From the settings menu, navigate to the controller settings section. Here, you'll find an option to select your input device. Make sure to choose wheel to activate your PXN V9. Next, you'll need to map the essential controls. Assign acceleration, braking, and steering to the appropriate pedals and wheel movements for intuitive gameplay. This step ensures the game recognizes all your wheel's functions. With basic controls set, it's time to fine-tune your wheel's sensitivity for optimal performance. Dive into the Advanced Control Settings menu, specifically for your wheel. Here, you can adjust crucial parameters like steering linearity, which dictates how your physical wheel input translates to in-game steering. Also, modify the dead zones to eliminate any unwanted input. Don't forget to experiment with force feedback strength. A setting between 60 and 80% often provides a realistic and immersive driving feel. Finally, it's time to put your settings to the test. Jump into a race or simply enjoy free roam to experience your PXN V9 wheel in action. Pay close attention to how the car responds and make small, iterative adjustments to your sensitivity and force feedback as you drive. Once you're satisfied with your personalized setup, remember to save your custom wheel profile. This ensures your preferred settings are always ready for your next thrilling session in Forza Horizon 5.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.